Have you noticed your dog vomiting a lot? You're probably concerned, and it certainly isn't fun to clean up. But not to worry. You're about to find out why your dog may be vomiting, what you can do about it, and how to know when it's time to see the vet. I'm Vanessa from Dogs Naturally, and I'm going to tell you the most likely reasons why your dog may be vomiting, as well as some home remedies you can use to help him feel better.
Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification.
Before we talk about why your dog may be vomiting, first, let's make sure we're all on the same page about what vomiting is. Dogs sometimes regurgitate, which is when undigested food comes back up into the mouth. If you see your dog spit up something that looks like undigested food, covered in mucus, that's regurgitation. And it's completely normal, even if a little gross. Vomit, on the other hand, comes from the stomach and upper intestines and usually has a uniquely unpleasant texture, color, and smell. When your dog vomits, he'll probably have stiff legs and be heaving as it comes up. The purpose of vomiting is to get toxic material out of the body. Once you've established that your dog is indeed vomiting, you should try to figure out what the reason is. Some of the most common reasons for dogs to vomit are ingesting something they shouldn't have, a food allergy, a reaction to a drug, presence of parasites, stress, or organ malfunction. Sometimes your dog may vomit once and then feel better on his own. Other times, vomiting may be continuous, and this can put your dog in danger of dehydration. Puppies and older dogs are especially vulnerable to becoming dehydrated due to continuous vomiting. To avoid this, you need to make sure your dog gets plenty of fluids. Before I share some home remedies for vomiting with you, let's talk about when you need to get your dog to the vet. If vomiting is accompanied by other symptoms like diarrhea, convulsions, foaming at the mouth, or loss of muscle control, your dog may have been poisoned and you should seek emergency care right away. Another reason you should see a vet immediately is when there is blood in your dog's vomit, or if your dog is vomiting in a very forceful way, what we call projectile vomiting, or if you suspect an obstruction of the digestive tract or bloat. Now let's move on to home remedies you can try in less serious situations. In summary, these are giving antiemetic herbs, homeopathy, and letting the stomach rest. In mild cases of nausea and vomiting, you can make an infusion of ginger or fennel and give it orally to help your dog feel better. Chamomile and peppermint are also great for soothing the digestive tract. Another treatment you can try is using homeopathic pellets of ipecac root, nux vomica, or pulsatilla. You can read more about those on our blog. Finally, helping your dog with vomiting may be as simple as letting his stomach rest. You may worry that he is hungry, but you should withhold solid food for 6 to 8 hours and consider feeding small amounts of bone broth every hour if he can keep it down. Don't fast puppies though. If your dog is able to keep liquids down after 12 to 24 hours, you can begin feeding solid food again in small amounts. For more details about how to prepare the home remedies we talked about, please click the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can get more useful tips to help your dog in the future.